US intelligence officials suspect China may have deliberately underreported the number of COVID-19 cases and deaths the country had. They say the decision to downplay its numbers is having deadly consequences for the rest of the world.
U.S. public health officials are ramping up pressure on the Chinese government to share information about the pandemic's origins. First up, they're putting China's now infamous wet markets in their crosshairs.
It boggles my mind how when we have so many diseases that emanate out of that unusual human-animal interface that we don't just shut it down.
Key lawmakers, including Senator Lindsey Graham, agree. They're also calling on China to immediately close all operating wet markets that have a potential to expose humans to risk through the introduction of exotic and wild animals into the food chain. But China hawks like Senator Tom Cotton tell Fox News they question whether the Chinese Communist Party is being truthful about that wet market origin story.
We do know that there are laboratories researching coronaviruses within just a few miles of that food market. Now, the Chinese Communist Party is going to great lengths to conceal what happened in those laboratories.
Now he's calling on the Trump administration to investigate and get to the bottom of exactly how the virus was introduced into the general population last December.
I think it's only responsible that we ask the question and that we demand the answers from China about what they know on the origins of this virus and the potential connections to the research done in those laboratories.
Questions of COVID-19's origins are echoed by doubts that China has been forthcoming in sharing accurate data about its spread.
Unfortunately, we're just not in a position to confirm any of the numbers that are coming out of China.
I think probably we were missing a significant amount of the data.
China's government is fighting back. They say while they have sympathy for the suffering of the American people, the accusations from American politicians has been, quote, despicable and immoral.